Welcome to the J&J Auto Wrecking Test video of SJFA247. Today, guys, I'm checking out a 2018 Fiat 124. Beautiful car. Got this thing out of California. Really low mileage. Really banged up, though. 6-speed manual. Black exterior, black interior. I'm a fan. I'm not a Miata guy, but I'm a Fiat 124 guy. I don't know why. 1.4 Multiair under the hood. Had to crank it for a hot minute to bring some oil up to her, but she's running. 16,974 miles on this unit. She is a gem. Runs good. Navigation, stereo, just really good shape. Warning. Oh, agree. Not touchscreen. That's lame. Reconnecting to Bluetooth audio. What were we listening to? All right. She plays Metallica, guys. Go ahead and test some parts. You guys saw both the windows are working. Convertible top, it's manual, it works. Let's test those door mirrors. Sounds good. Man, I love this car. Pedal commander engaged. What mode are we in? Do your pedal commands. Alright. Oh, heated seats too. We've tested everything out though. Climate control is working. AC is nice and cold. This car is awesome, guys. Doing what I've shown. Like I said before, or I haven't said, everything you guys see here is going to be listed for sale. And yes, this is the real J&J Auto Wrecking YouTube channel. We had ourselves a little bit of a management change, and we had to go out on our own. I'm John at J&J Auto Wrecking. Check yourself before you wreck yourself. Don't whip it too hard. Thanks for watching.